Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the appearance of the application of TickTick, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and then click on the settings icon at the top. Click on appearance, which is the second option. As you can see, there are three categories here: theme, app icon, and font size. The first one is the theme, which so there are many pure colors that you can choose from. Click on the relevant one. As you can see, here is the default option, and you can see how it looks like. So click on use if you want to change it. There are season series, city series, but these are only available to premium users, as you can see. The second category is app icons. Here you can select from these options. However, it's only like one icon, which is a default option, and the other ones are for premium members. If you scroll down, you can see the app badge count. So you should choose the type of tasks to have the number shown on the app icon. You can select none, overdue based on time, today, overdue based on date, today, overdue based on a date. If you click on font size at the top, you will be able to select it on the scale, such as system default, standard, or large. So click on the relevant one and then go back to your home page by tapping on this arrow icon in the upper left corner and then press done, and here you can see how it looks like. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.